Road signs. Stop sign. Tells drivers to stop and check if it's safe. Yield sign. Let other cars go first if they're close. Speed limit sign. Shows the fastest speed you can drive. No U-turn sign. You can't turn back in a U-shape. No parking sign. Don't park your car here. School zone sign. Drive slow, kids are near. Pedestrian crossing sign. Watch for people walking across. Railroad crossing sign. Train tracks ahead, be careful. One-way sign. Drive only in this direction. Do not enter sign. Don't go this way, it's wrong. Keep right sign. Stay on the right side. No left turn sign. Don't turn left here. No right turn sign. Don't turn right here. Merge sign. Cars are joining the road, be careful. Lane end sign. One lane is ending, move over. Traffic signal ahead sign. Lights are ahead, get ready. Deer crossing sign. Watch for deer crossing the road. Curve ahead sign. Road curves soon, slow down. Slippery when wet sign. Road is slippery if wet, be careful. No passing sign. Don't pass other cars here. Bike lane sign. This lane is for bikes only. Handicap parking sign. Parking for people with disabilities. Hill sign. Steep hill ahead, slow down. Narrow bridge sign. Bridge ahead is narrow, be careful. Dead end sign. Road ends, no way out. Construction ahead sign. Workers fixing road, slow down. Detour sign. Take another road, this one's closed. Roundabout sign. Circle road ahead, go slow. Truck crossing sign. Watch for trucks crossing the road. Thanks for watching.